Welcome to my project bazaar.com. Let me discuss about the process machine learning methods for binary and multi-class classification of melanoma thickness from dermoscopic images. Let me discuss about the abstract of the project. Physicians employed to diagnose a melanocytic lesions in order to determine with experimentally proposed principal component analysis. These mathematical features are correlated with these physical characteristics analysis. These features have been improved with the principal component analysis. This method to identify physical features that experience plastic surgeons employed to classify lesions into their segmentation. Lesion injury is essential to initiate the correct first treatment. For diagnosis, the treatment is necessary to know the segmentation of the lesion. Correct visual assessment of melanocytic lesions relies highly on specialized dermatology's expertise. Epidermal lesions are usually red, dry, and painful. The main problem encountered in the analysis of digital photographs of lesion wounds. Melanocytic lesions from digital photographs have been published. Here there are many feature extractions have been proposed, such as shape features, color features, pigment network features, and texture features. Classification is also performed, where probabilistic neural network is proposed and analyzes the performance of the system. A probabilistic neural network is a feed-forward neural network which was derived from the Bayesian network and a statistical algorithm called kernel Fisher. Finally, accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity of the proposed work has been analyzed. Let's discuss about the flow diagram for our process. Initially, input skin image has been taken as an input image, and in the image segmentation, OTSU method is used to automatically perform clustering based image thresholding, or the reduction of a gray level image to a binary image. The algorithm assumes that image contains two classes of pixels following bimodal histogram. It then calculates the optimum threshold separating the two classes so that their combined spread is minimal, or equivalently pairwise square distances is constant so that their interclass variance is maximal. And in the feature extraction, there are many type of features are proposed. One is shape features. Intentionally, shapes which are found perceptually similar by human have the same features that are different from the others. Translation, rotation, and scale variance, the location, the rotation, and the scaling changing of the shape must be affect the extracted features. And in the color features, a lab color space is a color opponent space with dimension L for lightness and A and B for the color opponent dimensions based on nonlinearity compressed coordinates. Next, in the pigment network features, melanoma is a type of cancer that develops from the pigment containing cells known as melanocytes. Melanomas typically occur in the skin but may rarely occur in the mouth, intestines, and eye. And finally, the texture feature has been derived. In texture features, gray level co-occurrence matrix, Markov random fields, and local binary pattern have been extracted. A statistical method of examining texture that considers the spatial relationships of pixels is the gray level co-occurrence matrix, also known as gray level spatial dependence matrix. And in the Markov random field is a set of random variables having a Markov property described by an undirected graph. In other words, a random field is said to be a Markov random field if it satisfies Markov properties. Local binary pattern is a type of visual descriptor used for classification in computer vision. LBP is a particular case of the texture spectrum model. Finally, the probabilistic neural network, that is PNN classifier, is used for classification. Here the input query image and also database images are classified. And a probabilistic neural network is a feed-forward neural network which was derived from the Bayesian network and a statistical algorithm called kernel Fisher discriminant analysis. PNN is often used in classification problem. When an input is present, first layer computes the distance from the input vector to the training input vectors. Finally, the performance has been analyzed. Here, accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity performance has been analyzed. Let me discuss about the running procedure for our process. Select the main.temp file in the current folder, right-click the file and run for executing this process. Here we have to select any one liaison images from the dataset folder. And after performing the entire process, we analyze the results. And this is the original image. This is the noise reduction image. And this is the channel separation. And this is the binary output by using the OTSU method. And this is the segmented output for the red channel. This is the binary output for green channel, and this is the segmented output for green channel, and this is the binary output for blue channel, and this is the segmented output result for blue channel, and this is the OTSM method results. Here we perform the shape features extractions, and this is the GLCM results, and this is the cluster results of our MRF result, Markov random fields, and this is the EM, that is expectation maximization iteration of our MRF algorithm, and this is the resultant of the MRF result, and this is the extracted region from the segmented image. With the help of extracted region, we analyze the LBP features, that is local binary pattern, and this is the histogram of our LBP features results, and this is the our probabilistic neural network plot, and this is the extracted features. Here area, eccentricity, perimeter, colors, these are the shape features, and color L space, A space, B space, these are the color features. Pigment network model is the pigment network features. GLCM, MRF, LBP is the texture feature we have extracted, and finally the intermediate melanoma has been detected. This is the performance analysis for our accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. Finally, the confusion matrix has been table displayed. This is the performance graph after we obtain the accuracy, sensitivity, specificity. Thank you.